Welcome to MarineMax Miami. I'm Gregg Kopp. Today I want to show you this brand new model we have. It's a 500 cruiser's yacht, GLS, with triple 600 outboards. The reason I'm doing this video is I just took this boat to the Bahamas and I was so blown away. I spent a lot of time in the Bahamas. I do a lot of trips. I do a lot of getaways for our company, and I was thrilled to be on this boat. Not even sure where to begin, but we'll start here in the back. You've got a nice entertaining area here with two grills, two electric grills, a wet bar. You have your electric shore power 50 amp back here. As you come into the boat is so wide, it's so comfortable. All of this teak that you see here, all of this opens up. Our slip's not big enough to show you how big it is, but just a great setup, such a fun, easy boat, rides like a big boat, but it's very easy to operate, even for just one person. You've got super comfortable seating everywhere. You've got 3 Wi-Fi chargers, 4 cup holders, same seating setup over here, the sides that open, ridiculous stereo, JL audio throughout the boat. Got a couple of cocktail tables. All of the upholstery is really high premium ultra leather. Storage underneath everything, all on hinges, so you don't have to try to fight with it to put it back in. Wide walkthroughs as you come in. Massive shade, so this whole area I'm standing in is, I just put the air on and it's already cooling off even though we're outside. You've got a ridiculous hardtop. This thing is so big, and then it has an electric shore shade that'll take you to the back of the boat. As you come up here to this nice entertaining area, you've got an electric pop-up TV here. You've got 2 refrigerators here. If you want to come around, you'll see that here. Storage, trash can, 2 refrigerators, and an ice maker. This is all outside, plus the 2 electric grills in the back. Here's a great seating area, super comfortable, maybe for cocktails, or if you want to open up, you can dine here. Easy walk through, very commanding helm. This area is incredible. You've got 3 giant screens up here, Simrad. You've got the Seakeeper, which is quite comfortable when you're boating, takes the roll away. You can put 3 people up here. I was driving here comfortably, set my iPhone right here on the charging pad. You've got the joystick, the shifters here, all digital, very clean lines. Just a phenomenal ride. This boat ran so well. We were cruising at 30 knots, burning 25 per engine at 30 knots. So we were definitely scooting along on our trip over to the Bahamas. You've got a nice enclosure here, so this will keep the AC nice. And if it's a beautiful cool day, you can drop down the side windows, you can open up the top. A lot of different options you have here. So what's nice about this boat, it's a phenomenal day yacht, but you can also use it for overnighting. You can sleep 4 people quite comfortably on the boat. As you come inside, we just put the air on, it's already ice cool. Inside you've got a microwave, a refrigerator, so that gives you your 3rd refrigerator on the boat. And then if you go forward, you'll enter the master stateroom. Starting on your port side, you'll see that there's a nice TV there in case you wanted to watch the news or catch the game. You can board easily onto the bed from either side, so you can walk around. Look at the details, very nice setup. You have a really pretty waterfall window above and on the side, so that lets a lot of natural light in. Just a really clever design by Cruisers Yachts. As you come out, you've got a nice head here with a full enclosure on the shower. And then another 2 people can sleep in the back. That'll convert into a larger bed. Once you get in there, it's actually quite spacious and you've got a lot of room. So ultimately you can sleep 4 people comfortably. So before we make our way to the bow, I just want to show you a couple of cool features. You've got an electric window here, which is nice. You also have these electric windows on the side, and you even have a little electric window here. So this just gets a lot of breeze coming through the boat. As you come through the walkway, notice there's 0 steps, no tripping hazards. As you make your way here, This is that waterfall design which let all that natural light come in to the master. Just a really cool idea. And once you make your way up to the bow, what a comfortable space. You've got seating everywhere, really nice headrests, just a very comfortable setup you have here. You also have a bow shade. Here's your 2 inserts for the pole, which has dedicated storage on the gunnel, and the other 2 here. So imagine you're here at the sandbar, anchored, bow goes into the wind, you have a nice breeze up here while you're still in the shade. And then you've got nice storage solutions under these 2, all under here as well. And the JL audio continues all throughout the boat. Just a great setup. This is my new favorite boat. I had such a nice time on this boat in the Bahamas. I highly recommend it to anybody. And if you do have any further questions on performance or just any details about the boat, feel free to give me a call. I'm Gregg Kopp, MarineMax Miami, and my cell phone is 786-390-5292. Thanks for watching.